Hello guys, in the previous episodes we focused only on editor basics. That was intentional. It gives you control without overwhelming you with systems you do not need yet. You now understand how to move around the editor and use the core tools. The next step is figuring out what actually matters to learn next so you can start building real projects without getting lost. At this point, it helps to zoom out a bit. Everything you see in a game is built from a few core layers working together. Nothing is random. Every system belongs to a category, and once you understand those categories, learning becomes much easier. As you continue, you will naturally touch a few key areas: gameplay logic, UI and player feedback, animation and character movement, materials and visual development, AI behavior, and last but not least, level design and world building. You don't need all of them now. The important thing is knowing they exist and where they fit later. Most of your early learning will focus on blueprints. This is how you define gameplay logic inside Unreal Engine without coding. In blueprints, you can create object interactions, gameplay rules, and basic systems such as doors and pickups. Because of that, you don't really learn blueprints on their own. You learn them by building small things with them. Blueprints make your project feel interactive and alive. They also teach you how things are connected. So my recommendation will be to start your journey by building a small project with blueprints. Don't jump ahead and start learning level design or character animation yet. Unless you really want to, of course. The time will come. And if you jump into something specific too early, it might feel too complex and not rewarding enough. It's easy to get excited and then feel overwhelmed with all the things. But when you build a project that allows you to walk and do something, you are going to get excited and more motivated to explore more advanced things. Remember, you learn the most when you actually build things. If you want to follow that approach, I've created a full Unreal Engine 5 Blueprints course for beginners. There, we build a moon-based survival game inspired by Planet Crafter. We take all the basics and apply them inside one complete project, where everything is built step by step using blueprints. Instead of separate exercises, it all comes together as a single connected game. This way, you don't just learn individual features, but also how they work together in a real project. You can find the course link and the instructor discount code in the description below. Alright, you now have a clear overview of what matters next and how to approach learning Unreal Engine without getting overwhelmed. The key is simple: small steps, small systems, real progress. Learning by doing. Thank you for watching this series, and I hope it made you curious about learning more. Good luck!